Hi everyone, I've got a couple of important announcements. The first one is that next Saturday I'm going to be doing my first YouTube live in a long time. Probably been a few years. I actually haven't done many of those, but I'd really love to get together with you guys and answer your questions, all about beach fishing or even other aspects of fishing. Now, it's going to be at 3 p.m. next Saturday, which is the usual time that I release my videos. However, if you can't make it at 3 p.m, we've created a special email address so that you can email in your questions before the Q&A and I will answer them. That way you can play it back later, because once it finishes, it'll be live up on YouTube and you can replay it and get the answers to your questions. The next announcement is that I'm running another one of my awesome beach fishing boot camps next February, starting on the 14th of February to the 16th of February. This year I've run 2 boot camps and it's been absolutely awesome. There's been so many benefits. A huge one is actually people have made so many friends, but we spend a whole weekend purely focused on fishing, and I teach you. I've got people who help me. We really devote the whole weekend to instructing you. We also ask you, what do you want to learn? What part of your beach fishing do you want to improve? And we really work on that, even whether it's casting, rigging, whatever it might be. Plus, we spend a lot of quality time beach worming. Myself and my good buddy Loza, we get down there and we just really focus on that for several hours at a time. So if you'd like to attend one of these boot camps, I haven't promoted it on YouTube before, but if you go to my website, you'll see Fishing Weekend at the top of my website. Just click on that and you can book for next February. Great time of the year for fishing. However, there's only limited spots because we can't have a huge group. It's just too much to handle. So if you'd love to come on that beach fishing weekend, head on to my website and make a booking. Now, it's that time of the year, isn't it? You can see how I'm attired. I really appreciate all of you guys who watch my videos. I really love the comments. I do my best to answer, not all of them, but most of them. Really enjoy the feedback. It gives me so much. I just feel so happy knowing that I'm helping people with their fishing. Get so much great feedback. So from me to you, I want to wish you a really blessed Christmas, and I hope that you have an amazing break with your loved ones. You get some time to rest and obviously get out in the fresh air, go for a swim, enjoy some fishing. And I look forward to an amazing 2025. I've got so many ideas for videos. I've got so much in me that I want to share with people. So we'll see you guys all next year. Merry Christmas.